Welcome back. Now, I really think build drill is a great drill, but 1 to 5 drill is awesome. This drill will improve your accuracy, speed, shot counting, and target transition. And of course, my creative thoughts kind of took it to beyond. This will definitely improve your shooting skills. First two drill is with EDC from Concealment. So first drill, we're not gonna have 3 paper target like a standard 1 to 5 drill, but we're gonna have 5 steel target between 7 to 10 yards, and we're gonna be doing 1 to 5 drill. And yes, we're gonna be repeating 3 times.
All right, 1 to 5 drill on 5 steels. Shooter ready, stand by. Make safe. Safe. Time 8.79.
The second drill, this will definitely help you with the most realistic self-defense shooting. And it's 1 to 5 with a position transition. And again, we're gonna do it 3 times.
Okay, this is 1 to 5 drill, but position transition. Now you cannot break 180, so keep in mind when you're walking backwards, your gun is always pointing downrange. And this is 15 yards, 10 yards, and 5 yards. Shooter ready, stand by. Time 17.49.
Next to drill is with your race gun and open carry. And this is more geared toward improving your competition skills. So first drill is 1 to 5 from 25 yards to 5 yards.
Okay, now we're gonna do 1 to 5 drill from 25 yards to 5 yards. So 25 yards, 1 shot, 20 yards, 2 shot, 15 yards, 3 shot, 10 yards, 4 shot, and 5 yards, 5 shots. Make ready. Time.
And the second drill is 1 to 5 on the move from 20 to 5 yards. And here you have to shoot on the move. Now, if you can't shoot on the move, you're allowed to only shoot once per step. So that's a big disadvantage.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear.
Time.
8, 1, 2.
And lastly, if the time allows, bring your AR rifle, and we're gonna have 1 to 5 drill in 2 different stations where you have to move from 1 to 2nd station and you have to reload in between.
Safety on. Reload. All right, safety on. Time.
So bring your AR rifle with enough ammunition. And like always, it's always 6 shooters, first come, first serve. So sign up at the link in the description.